Want to protect your LibreOffice files with a password? LibreOffice can encrypt supported documents with a password, helping prevent unauthorized people from opening them. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect files in LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the LibreOffice document you want to protect. This method can be used with supported Writer, Calc, and Impress documents. Make sure you've finished any important edits before applying password protection. Next, open the File menu and select Save As. In the Save As window, choose where you want to store the protected file. This is where you'll enable the option that requires a password when the document is opened. In the Save As dialog, enable Save with Password or the equivalent password protection option available in your LibreOffice version. 1241 make sure this option is selected before you click Save. Now enter a strong password in the password field, then enter it again to confirm. Use a password that's difficult for others to guess, but still something you can securely remember. Take a moment to check the password carefully before confirming it. After confirming the password, LibreOffice saves the document with password protection enabled. If you're replacing an existing file, confirm the save or overwrite prompt if it appears. Keep in mind that forgetting the password can prevent you from accessing an encrypted document. Finally, close the document and open it again. LibreOffice should ask for the password before allowing access to the protected file. So enter the correct password, open the document, and verify that everything is still available. And that's how to password protect files in LibreOffice. Open your document, use Save As, enable password protection, create a strong password, save the file, and test it by opening the document again. Password protection is especially useful for sensitive documents, spreadsheets, and presentations that you don't want unauthorized people to open. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.